everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to decorate my Christmas tree. If you guys have seen my last two videos, then you're totally caught up. But this is the Carolina pine. I saw it at the store like back in October actually, and thought about it and decided to go ahead and get it. I did a whole review of like how to set it up, what my thoughts and impressions were, so definitely check that out. But today we're gonna go through all of my old Christmas decorations. So I do have like a bunch of ornaments already. I didn't buy any new ones. It's because I did have a tree before, but when I moved, I let my sister have my tree for her family, and she didn't take my ornaments. She got her own ornaments. So I am going through my boxes of Christmas decor to see what exactly I have. I really was thinking of like a kind of sea moss green theme for this, like something that's kind of vintage and retro inspired with like big glass globes. I thought that'd be really pretty on this tree and like in my house. But you know what? I already have ornaments, so we're going to check them out and decide if we're going to put them all on the tree this year. So the first thing I found is a box of $2 glass ornaments, and there's 18 per box, although there's some missing. I guess they got broken at some point. But I think this is super funny. I found 2 boxes of these. They're all different colors and they're kind of smaller than what I wanted, but you know what? Color is festive. So we have those. I found the topper. I didn't even remember. Like, you guys, the last time I decorated my own tree was probably, I don't know, like 2015 maybe. Anyways, so this is the topper that I was using. It's a little star. It looks kind of tiny for this tree, but it looks like super retro, does it not? Like, this looks like something you would find at a vintage thrift store and be like, I have to have it. So I think this is super cute. I'm gonna keep my tree topper. What do you guys think? So this is what I remember. So I used to live in this super nice boutique hotel where all the celebrities would stay when they were in town. And so I have like these really, really pretty decorations from that time. And look at how cute these are. Like, they're so pretty. And if you guys saw my first video about the tree, the one thing that I wanted to be different about it was I wanted to have warmer tones instead of such a cool tone. I know it has a cool tone because of the snow on it, you know, trying to, you know, go with that theme. But look, I already have blue decorations that kind of go in with that. So that actually works out really well. So these are clips. These are super pretty. It looks like a clip fell off this one, so we'll just have to push it in there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these big clips. I wonder why I only have 4. You guys, my tree before was a lot smaller because it's for an apartment. Now I have a big tree because I have a house. Oh, here's another one. 5, 6. So good. Okay, I love these. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, there's so many. Look at this bag. So many goodies in here. I totally forgot I had these. Ah, this goes perfect with my snowy tree. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love this. So I have a bunch of these. These are pretty much like glass icicles, I would describe these as. So, so, so pretty. I love these, and they're all frosted. They also look very vintage. Oh my gosh, it's kind of like a peacock thing. That is so pretty. You guys, and I left all the tags on these because I don't know, I'm silly like that. This only cost me $1.47. What? From Walmart. This is gorgeous though. So gorgeous. So there's a bunch of those in here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like I have like maybe 6 of those. Oh my goodness. That's so cute. Look at this. Oh, oh my gosh. See, this, I knew that I had some good decorations, but I hadn't even looked at them yet. I just got the tree and I was like, you'll find your decorations, don't worry. Look at these blue birds, and they have the fluffy tail too. Oh my goodness. This one is missing its little clip as well, but maybe it's in the bag and I can just hot glue it back on. See, that one just came off too. So I'll just hot glue. See, it just had hot glue on it. I'll just hot glue it back on. These are so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is, wow. Okay. And then some more of the snow globes. These are kind of like a frosty gold, which I love. I told you guys I wanted the warm tones. So perfect. That goes so well with the tree. So we have a bunch of these, and then let's see what else is kind of different in here. I think that's it. So I still have, see this whole bag of stuff, which is just more of what I just showed you guys. So cute. I think I only have one of these white ones, white swans. They must have only had one left when I got it. I love these. Maybe I'll see if they have these still. Like, do you think they still make them? I don't know. This is gorgeous. If you guys have seen this anywhere, let me know because I want more. Or maybe there should just be one unique white swan. I'm super excited. I was already excited, but I think this is what the plan's going to be, you guys. I think what we're going to do is we're definitely going to use all these frosty decorations. Like, this is fabulous. This is fabulous. These are fabulous. Like, this whole look is great. It's perfect. I did a good job with that. Thanks to me in the past. Now, when it comes to these, I'm thinking that I'll start off just using the golds, see if that's enough. And then if I want to add more in, I could go in with the blues. The blue is a bit different though. Let's see. See, the blue is a little bit different, but that could work. I'm going to start with using the golds. We'll just do that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this box has 4 more. So we have 8 gold here. And that will give us a good start. And then we have tons of these right here, these frosty gold. So I think that that's going to work really well. Let me know what you guys would do for sure. That works, right? This is cute. This is super cute. They're the same size. One is like a frosty kind of gold, and this one is like a gold. Beautiful. And the gold ties in the gold star. So love that. Some little tiny decorations in here. You've got a nutcracker in here too. Super cute. So some fun things on there. So my sister and her family with my nieces and nephew are coming into town this week for Thanksgiving. So I actually got a kit for making ornaments, like they're wood ornaments, and you can either burn the wood or you can paint them or carve them. I have like all the tools to do these things. Obviously, not all those are going to be appropriate for kids between the ages of 1 and 8, but we'll see what we can do. And so hopefully we can make some ornaments for my tree. And then if we have time to make even more, we can make more ornaments for my mom and dad's tree, like the family tree. And if they don't have time to do both this time around, we'll just do the family ornaments like on Christmas break. That's probably what we'll do. So like for Thanksgiving break, I'll have the kids make ornaments for my tree. So that will be kind of like the home touch on my tree. It'll be actually like handmade ornaments that we make each year. And then on my mom's tree, she has a bunch of handmade ornaments from me and my sister, but she doesn't have any handmade ornaments, or at least I don't think she has handmade ornaments from her grandchildren yet, but coming. I'm gonna have it from my nieces and nephews, at least some of them. They're sprinkled everywhere. I have so many nieces and nephews, so many, and I didn't even realize how many I had until this year. Like, that's how many. Anyway, but the ones coming for Thanksgiving, there's 4 coming for Thanksgiving. They should all make some ornaments. Even the 1-year-old. We'll get her to make something. Maybe we'll do the little handprint one. That'll be super cute. So should I decorate the tree now and stop gabbing? Let's go ahead and decorate the tree.
As you guys can see here, I laid out all of the ornaments so that it'll be easy to kind of put them up on the tree. I think it's good to like put all of the same kind up and then the next of the same kind so it's like evenly distributed. And I have these like ornament hangers, like a whole bag of them. And so I have been putting these ornament hangers on each one of the ornaments, just twisting, they're like little wires. So just twisting them on there so they're ready to go. We still just have these gold ones left. And then I'm going to find my hot glue gun, which I have a couple ideas of where it might be. So I'm gonna have to find that. And fix. This is like the I need to be fixed section. They need the clips glued back on. So yeah, let me grab some more of these hooks. I just take this little thing and put it on the hook and then use my fingers to really twist it on there so it doesn't come off. And that's it. Got 3 gold ones left to do. How neat was I to actually take the hooks off and put everything away in their original box. Glass ornament. Now I've got 1, 2, 3 birds and some leaves that need to be fixed. Oh, guess what, you guys? I found another one of the birds. So we do have 2 of these white swans. Super cute. And I'm pretty sure that I have another decorations box that I have not even opened yet because I was thinking that my old decorations are probably going to be prettier. So I could actually get, I think there are red birds in that other one and like red stuff. The whole theme that year was like red and white. Let's go ahead and decorate the tree in gold and blue and I guess silver. And then if we feel like it could use some red, we'll go get the red decorations and add them in there too.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Such pleasure do you bring me.
All right, the long-awaited time to do the little white swans. So I only have 2 of these. So of course I want one on this is like facing the front door. So I want one on this side and then I want one on this side because this is the side I'm going to see the most from inside the house. So let's do this one first. I think right in the middle would be perfect. Oh my goodness, why am I making this such a big deal? Maybe right here would be great. Perfect. So cute. And then I'm going to put this one over here. This is a perfect spot. Okay, I have gotten all of the ornaments up on the tree. I think it looks super, super cute. I love it. You can obviously tell that I was decorating a much smaller tree because it's not super full of ornaments, but this tree is so pretty with like the frosted tips, the berries, the pine cones. Like it's just such a pretty tree. I don't think it really needs tons of decorations. Like the minimal look is really cute. So, you know, I'm not going to really worry about it. Now let's think, do we want to add in red? Like, should I add the red birds or should we leave it kind of this frosty look? Should I go get the red birds and the red bows and whatever else is in there? I think that's it. But, oh yeah, I have some plastic, but they're made to look like glass and gold ornaments that I got for some sort of craft. I never actually hung them on a tree. I could put those on here. Let me go grab them. We'll do like a little sample area and see if it's a go or a no. Okay? Hot chocolate, so good. Okay, so I just went through the other box and I found these. This is not all of them. I just grabbed a few. And so here are the little plastic things. This looks like, this is a drummer boy. That's super cute, actually. I just want to get an idea of what it will look like. I think that's actually really pretty. There's a snowman. Let's put this one here, the snowman. That's in theme with the whole like icy tree. Okay. So those are cute. We have these red bows. Oh, it has a little bell on it and everything. Let me just set one in here so we can get an idea if like we incorporated red, what that would look like next to everything. I think it could be really pretty. And then I even have like these little tiny red bows too. I have this bird as well. So let's put this bird over here. It even has a little snow on its feet. Oh my goodness. You know what, you guys? Hold on. Totally going to say that I love this, but now that I've like stepped back and taken a look, I don't know. I feel like the red is really now becoming the show and it's kind of taking away from the detailed elements of the tree. I think red is super pretty, but it's like your eye goes to the red and like you don't see the blue bird anymore. Whereas before the blue was like really the show because it was the brightest, most saturated element of the tree. And then all the other like glass things are just really there to reflect light and just add depth to the tree. This moment with the little cardinal bird though, I think is like super pretty. I might just at least stick a few birds in the tree. Let me know. We still have over a month until Christmas. So let me know your thoughts on whether I should add the bows, whether I should add the cardinals, or if I should just leave the red out. And if you have any other ideas, if you think the tree is perfect as is, did add the little snowman and the drummer boy. I could put these all over the tree. I mean, these kind of are just there. It's kind of a nice surprise. Like, I don't think you notice it when you're looking at the tree, but if you're coming closer, it gives a more interest, like, oh, look, there's a drummer boy and there's a snowman. I think that's cute. I could stick those in there. They don't really add anything to the look. They just add to like the fun of enjoying the tree when you're up close. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for decorating my tree with me. So you guys, I'm adding these to the tree now. This is a cute little bell. How pretty is that? And I'm using the leftover little hangers that I had. So that's good. It's helping me position them like exactly how I'd like for them to be. I think the red bird has got to come out for now. But still let me know what you guys think about this. This definitely blends in very nicely. Look at that. And for the topper. See how that looks.